honey. So I definitely had to pull out the fall jean jacket. I feel like it matched the blue shade from this collection as well. This is like one of my favorite jean jackets. Anyways, let's get back to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about the fall collection from Zoya. It is called Nostalgic. It is a 6-piece collection of all cream polishes. They are perfect for fall. Now I'm already feeling the fall vibes. I love this season, and what better way to start it than with this gorgeous collection from Zoya. If you are new here, please consider subscribing for more videos like these, and of course give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Now without further ado, let's get swatching. Okay, so for these swatches, I will be using the Zoya wide brush. First up, we have Vivi, and this is a dusty, cool-toned pink cream polish. This one to me looks almost like a bubblegum pink, but with a deeper or grayish hue to it. On the first coat, it's more sheer. It does look a little bit streaky on the first coat, but this formula is really self-leveling, so you will get an even application as the nail polish dries. And on that second coat, we're building into a deeper color as well. Next is Rumi, and this is a pink, almost terracotta cream polish. It's got a warm undertone. I love how this looks on just the first coat, and then again it builds up nicely into 2 coats. I think this is a gorgeous shade for fall. Next is Austin, and this is a cornflower blue, but it does have more of this light purple hue to it. Very unique color. I definitely haven't seen this shade for fall. It's looking a little more on the purple side here on camera, but in person it does lean more blue. I'd definitely be wearing this in different seasons as well. Next is Becca, and this is a cool toned, deep aubergine or eggplant color. It's really rich. It's a gorgeous cream. The application is quite nice, and it does get deeper in color the more coats you apply. Next is Cooper, and this is a deep, almost like a sage green shade. The first coat does look a little more streaky, but as you apply your second coat, and if you want a third coat, the formula does self-level, and it does leave us with a smooth finish. Last but not least is Mila, and this is a deep mahogany red. I would say the undertone for this one is a mix between a cool and warm undertone. This is giving us vampy vibes for sure for fall. When I see a color like this, it always screams fall for me. I love these deep red tones. This one is a little bit more staining, as most reds are, so make sure you have a base coat to prevent much staining, but I love the final look on this one. Very unique and gorgeous. Welcome back. What did you think of this collection? Did you love it? Which shade was your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. My favorite definitely has to be the Austin polish, which I have on right now. This is that gorgeous dusty blue shade. Reminds me of jeans and jean jackets. Hello. You can pretty much wear it in any season. It looks really, really pretty, and yeah, Overall, this is a really great collection. Of course, we love creams from Zoya. I would have loved to see a mustard shade though. I know, I guess it's kind of typical, but to me it would have made the collection like higher up in the ratings for me, but instead I feel like the addition of this sort of jean blue shade was a great choice as well. It's something different, so I definitely appreciate that. The rest of the collection is typical standard colors, so they have a bundle set available as well. If you get the bundle, then you also get the wide brushes included. You get a mini nail polish remover kit, and it comes in a black gift box. You can also get these shades individually, of course, as well. Also, I'm really curious, what do you guys think of the wide brushes? They are still currently sold separately. I personally prefer the wide brushes, but I feel like the general opinion is it's pretty split. Some people really love the wide brush and others just really prefer the standard brush. So I'm curious to see if they will end up making it as a permanent part of the collection, but we will see. Another reminder that if you enjoy the topic and you enjoy the vibe, please subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video, and of course give this video a thumbs up if you did find it helpful. As always, stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!